Crafting a transformation challenge isn't just the domain of specialists and consultants. You too can develop a series of challenges that could transform practices for your users, your company, and perhaps the whole industry. First, brainstorm at least 5 potential challenges you could pursue. Ask yourself questions like, how might we? How might we get insight into what happens in the fitting room? How could we? How could we automate our customer support service while still keeping it personalized? How can we rethink? How can we rethink the way patient records integrate with hospital and clinic systems? How can we reimagine? How can we reinvent? Now refine each challenge further. Is your challenge too broad? Take, for example, a civil engineering firm that challenges itself to improve a city's infrastructure. This is a good objective, but is not specific enough to be an effective transformation challenge. Is your challenge too specific? For example, a dairy farmer might initially have an idea to use sensors to monitor lameness in his cows. But actually, data from sensors could be used with other data in a model to predict milk production. The dairy farmer might miss this opportunity by being too specific. Is your challenge too simple? A small bank might want to allow customers to manage their entire investment portfolio online, but this challenge is too simple. It has been solved by many others in the sector. Is your challenge impossible? For example, a hospital company might dream of curing every patient that walks through the door. This is, of course, impossible because a hospital can't control every relevant factor in a patient's health. At this point, you may have a few different challenges that are strong, focused, and 10x. Choose one of your challenges you'd like to move forward with. We suspect that with all this talk about data and cloud technology, you probably have some concerns about privacy and security. We'll take a detour in the next module to explain ways to maintain data privacy and security with cloud technology while unlocking value. You'll also learn how to incorporate your learnings as part of your improvement or transformation initiatives. In Module 5, we'll come back to your ideal business challenge and help you put all of the pieces together to build a strong business case.